nri ụtụtụ, breakfast, nri ehihie, lunch, nri anyasị or nri abalị, dinner. Welcome back to my channel, Learning Igbo with Center. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about daily conversation phrases. And the first one we'll have is nri ụtụtụ. Remember, ụtụtụ means morning, right? As in when you see someone in the morning, you greet the person good morning, which means you are in the morning time. So, nri ụtụtụ means morning food. Remember, nri is food. Okay? So, ụtụtụ, morning. That is morning food. Nri ụtụtụ. And in other words, is breakfast. Okay? So, nri ụtụtụ means breakfast. So, someone can tell you, I've not taken my breakfast. I've not taken my breakfast. It simply means eribeghị m nri ụtụtụ. Eribeghị m. Okay? So when you have taken it, it will now turn to eriela m. Eriela m nri ụtụtụ. Okay? Then opposite of it is eribeghị m nri ụtụtụ. Are you getting it? Can you say eribeghị m nri ụtụtụ? Eribeghị m nri ụtụtụ. Good. What about eriela m nri ụtụtụ? Can you repeat after me? Eriela m nri ụtụtụ. And it means I've taken my breakfast. Good. So now lunch means nri ehihie. Okay? Nri ehihie or nri ehihie. Depending. Are you getting me? So remember, ehihie is afternoon. So nri ehihie, afternoon food. Okay? So I want to eat lunch now. You are telling someone, you are telling your friend that you want to eat lunch now. Okay? So how to say that is m chọrọ iri nri ehihie ugbu a. Or achọrọ m. Remember in our previous lesson, I told you can actually say if you are referring to yourself, or you can use if you are also referring to yourself. Okay? So m chọrọ iri nri ehihie or achọrọ m iri nri ehihie. Can you repeat it? Achọrọ m iri nri ehihie. Excellent. So, bịa ka anyị rie nri ehihie. Come, let us take lunch. So, nri anyasị or nri abalị means dinner or evening food or night food. Okay? So, nri anyasị, nri abalị. So you can either use any of them. Okay? Any of the two. Alright? Nri abalị. Can you say it? Nri abalị. Good. Weta nri abalị ka anyị rie. Bring dinner or bring night food, let us eat. Nwata, gaa sie nri abalị. It means this child, go and cook dinner. Alright? This child, go and cook dinner. Maybe your mom is telling you, gaa sie nri abalị. Go and cook dinner. Good. Nnu adịghị na nri a. Assuming you cook food and without knowing that there's no salt in it. Or maybe someone cooked it, okay? And the person did not put adequate salt to it. And you are telling the person, nnu adịghị na nri a. It means there is no salt in this food. Alright? But when salt is in excess, when salt is, some people, they will cook and the food will be salty. They will over put salt in the food. And you'll be like, hey, nri bụrụ nri a o. That means there is too much salt in this food. Okay? So you use bụrụ when something is in excess. Like another example now is ose bụrụ nri a. Okay? So ose means pepper. So when there is too much pepper, excessive pepper in food, you can say ose bụrụ nri a. The same thing goes to salt. Nnu bụrụ nri a. Are you getting what I'm saying? All right. So the next one we'll now have is agụụ. All right. Agụụ. So agụụ means hunger. Hunger. You are hungry and you are telling your mom or you are telling someone that I'm hungry, which means agụụ na-agụ m. Agụụ na-agụ m. Some will say agụrụ, okay, is 100% correct. Agụrụ. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụụ na-agụ m. Okay? And then, if you are not hungry, you can say agụrụ anaghị agụ m. Remember, na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m. I'm hungry. Now, anaghị is a kind of opposite to na-agụ m. Okay? So, anaghị agụ m. I'm not hungry. Agụrụ na-agụ m. I'm hungry. Agụrụ anaghị agụ m. I'm not hungry. Are you getting what I'm saying? Alright. This is where we're going to stop. If you enjoyed the lesson, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next class. Bye. Kemesia.